In this video, I will show you how to convert rows into columns in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select your rows and right click on it and copy. Now click anywhere, any cell, right click on it, and here guys you have to select this transpose. Just select transpose. Now here guys, once you click here anywhere, so you will see this multiple hashtag. So actually it's not error, just you need to adjust the size for column like this. And also guys, you can convert your rows into column into rows using this compose method. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.